Get your drill. Can you fix the car? Get the drill. Where's the drill? Where is it? Go get it. Drill. Oh, no cameras. Get the drill. Can we work on your car? You want to do it?
You getting in? Okay.
Take your drill. No, you don't want the drill? Okay. No, no, no. No, no, no. Drive the car. We are very cranky today.
Careful, careful.
Sit on your tush.
Sit.
Play in your car, silly. You don't have to look right at me when I'm doing this.
Sit your toes. Don't be dangerous.
Oh, so climby.
Don't be dangerous. The plane has the toot toot. I'm gonna go beep beep. Go play in the plane. The plane has the beep beep. Beep beep. Oh, you're pretending? That's pretty good. Car. Beep beep. That's right. Car. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Get your tools, Max. Where's your tools?
Tools.
Tools. In the trunk? Look, I think I know where our wrench is. Oh, the drill. Use the drill. Can you do it?
Oh, are you gonna put the tip in? Can you do it? There you go.
Boy.
Good job. Oh, that's good. Oh, good drill. Sit. Sit.
What are you doing? He's got one leg in the car and he's like going backwards with the drill. You can watch again in a minute. Patata. It's going backwards in reverse. You fixing it? Good boy. Here, do you want your wrench? Here's your wrench. Wrench. Yeah, tools, right. Whoops, we dropped our drill. Wrench. That's right. What? Oh, yeah, you want them to come out, I know. Okay, maybe Dada will stop the camera and he'll play with you for a minute.